They're saying it was some kind of animal. What a convenient coincidence.
The coroner confirmed the marks. They look like claws, or something resembling a trident.
If they need a microscope to tell us the obvious, then we're in good hands.
Sarcasm, the shield of those who face monsters and call it routine.
We're going to split up. I need clues, traces, anything.
Okay, but be careful, Walter. These alleys have proven to be deadly.
These marks don't look like marks from ordinary blades.
Nothing. No witnesses, no clues. It's as if the alley swallowed the truth.
So let's find out who lost out the most in this situation.
Following the money always leads to blood.
We checked with the neighbors. Most didn't want to talk. And those who did said they didn't know anything.
Fear, the most effective force in this city.
As far as we know, all the bodies in the alley belonged to the Shoeface gang.
Great. One reason, and maybe another body if we're lucky.
Do you really think Shoeface is going to stay quiet?
He's going to move, and when he does, we'll be there.
3 days, and nothing but silence.
I feel like we're going in circles.
Circles aren't a bad thing. Sooner or later, the hunter finds the hunted.
It's the medical examiner. He said another body arrived and he wants us to go there.
I just hope it's not another waste of time.
A new body, a new invitation to hell.
Tall, bald man, covered in tribal tattoos. A fighter's body. See those perforations on his chest? Do they remind you of anything?
The marks of the alley? But how?
Are you saying it's the same killer?
Same pattern, but less brutal. Judging by the bruises, there was a fight with someone or something.
A fighter killed on the docks with the same marks?
So, let's visit places where underground fights take place.
The smell of sweat and blood still lingers in the air.
What do you know about the body of the big, bald wrestler that was found floating in the bay?
All I know is that the guy worked for Mr. Shu, but everyone disappeared the night of the massacre. I don't know anything else.
Do you think I'm some kind of idiot, you piece of trash? I know you know better than that. I know you know where your owner, Mr. Clogface, is right now. So before I start breaking your toes one by one, you better give me something I can use.
Okay, boss, take it easy. A roadside motel. Hotel 5, that's the name. I heard he gathered his men there. I think all the men. That's all I know, I swear, I swear.
Cold tracks heat up quickly when the blood boils. The Snake's Lair.
There are more than 20 men there. We're going to need a lot of reinforcements.
No chance, Topper. Reinforcements make too much noise, and noise makes the target run away. Let's do this. For now, let's just keep an eye on them. My gut tells me they'll lead us to our mysterious killer. And hopefully, we'll take down a crime boss and a potential serial killer, all at once.
I just think that a suicidal gut isn't a good investigative method to follow, Walter.
Today it is, Garry. Today it is.
The night swallows the lighthouses like easy prey.
As soon as we know where they're going, we'll call for reinforcements.
Do you promise you won't go crazy and act alone?
only if you want me to lie.
They stopped Walter. Call for backup now.
There's no time. We can't lose sight of them. If you want, you can stay and call, but I'm going after them.
Damn it, Walter.
Screw it! This is Detective Garry Topper requesting urgent reinforcements. Shots fired and injuries. Locate the position using Detective Gibson's car's GPS. Come now.
Some fears are worth the risk.
My God, what happened here?
The forest became a hunting ground.
Who are you?
And in the beast's gaze, Garry saw the abyss. Looking back. Rainfall Simmons. Too late.
Wake up, Walter. Please, wake up.
Water washes away the blood, but not the guilt.
No!
And that night, under the Velmont's reign, something as dangerous as the beast was born. The thirst for revenge.